up, everybody? Just want to make a quick video. Roborock has some really good deals on two of the really good robot vacuums, the Roborock S5 Max and the S4 Max. So the S5 Max right now is $399 after coupon that you click on. And then the S4 Max is $309 after coupon, which is a really good deal. If you don't need mopping whatsoever, you might as well save the almost $90 and go with the S4 Max. But if you like mopping at all, the S5 Max is definitely the way to go. $400 is a very good deal. $309 even better. I have a Roborock S5 and the S4 Max. And the S5 is probably my favorite robot vacuum of all times for a vacuum that does not have a self-empty bin. So hopefully in the next month or two, they release the self-empty bin one, the S7, and I will definitely be recording that on this channel. So if you found this helpful out whatsoever, please do me a favor, smash that like button, consider subscribing. I put deals like this all the time, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get these deals before they expire. I'm going to put some links down below. If you don't mind, please click those links. I make a few dollars off each purchase, and I put that money right back into this channel. That's it. Have an awesome day. See ya.